So this one is classified electricity questions. A conducting sphere is there, which is mounted on an insulating stand. Explain how would you use a positively charged rod of insulating material to charge by induction. So how we can use induction to charge an object. So according to the question, what we have a conducting sphere is there, or a metal sphere on an insulated stand. So this stand is insulated, or this stand does not conduct, cannot conduct. And inside the metal, there is a lattice of positive ion and the delocalized electrons. So electrons are there which are delocalized within the structure. What we want like explain how would you use a positively charged rod of an insulating material to charge this sphere by induction. So how we can use a positively charged rod to charge this object by induction. So when we bring the positively charged rod, what it will create a distribution of the charges within the material. Right now, the charges are random or even distribution is there initially. But the moment we bring a positive charge rod, like example, if you bring a positive charge rod here, so as a result, what will happen? Like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. So these electrons, most of these electrons, there will be electrons on the other side, but majority of the electrons are shifted towards one side. So what it create a distribution of the charges. One side appear to be negative, another side appear to be positive. Then we connect an earthing wire. So the moment we connect an earthing wire, as a result, what will happen? As we bring a positive charge, or this positive, they will attract the electrons from the earthing. So allow the electrons to move. As a result, most of this will be negatively charged. Like the moment we connect an earthing wire, there are positive charges, but majority of them are negative now. And then to make it permanently charged, what we should do, we should remove the earthing wire and then the charge rod. So that is called electrostatic induction or induction by earthing. So the points which we will mention, how we can charge this object. First, what we do, we will bring a positive charge rod. Closer to, but it should not touch. It should be closer to the conducting sphere. That is one thing. After bringing closer to the conducting sphere, what we will do? We will connect an earthing wire. And then after connecting an earthing wire, we'll remove the earthing wire first. Then the charge rod. And what will be the net charge? Majority, as we remove, the net charge will be there. The resultant charge now it will be negative. Figure 8.1 shows an electric component. This is a component we have to name, state the name of this component. So if there were no arrows here, if no arrows were there, what we called that as a diode. But arrows are there. So what we call that as light emitting diode.